What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Like, subscribe and hit that bell so whenever I post a video you will be notified. Today I'll be working with Uber Eats and Doordash. I have a shift with Doordash from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. so come along for the ride and stick around to the end if you want to watch the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. All that said, let's go make some money, right? The time is 10:58. Doordash looking for orders. Uber Eats, you're online. It's a nice sunny day and messy because the snow is melting. It's like +3 Celsius. You can see I'm taking off the layers one by one. Heavy duty jacket is off. Spring jacket is on. Then it's going to be the sweater. Then a t-shirt. Then no shirt. My first order is from Doordash, $9.25 for 2.8 kilometers. Are they sending me a second one? Okay. They sent a add-on for $6 for 0 kilometers, 0 meters. I'll accept that for sure. That's KFC and tacos are the same, right? Same restaurant. That's a pretty awesome start. Wow. So guys, I pick up that order, one from KFC, one from Taco Bell, and guess what? It's going to the same address. That worked out pretty good. Awesome. Customer is 2 minutes away, 1.0 kilometers. Complete order, low base pay as usual. So the total for this trip is $15.25. Nice start, eh? I hope it continue like that. Hey guys, this is Doordash again. $8.25 for 15 kilometers. Decline. I'm not gonna accept that. That's a pretty far drive. No thank you, no thank you. This is Doordash again. $8.25 for 3.4 kilometers. Taco Bell again. I'll accept that. Took like 10 minutes to receive the second one. Could be because it's sunny out, lots of people are outside, nice weather after a long time, right? Customer is 4 minutes away, 1.7 kilometers. Not bad, not bad. Confirm. Base pay $5.25. Customer tip $3. Thank you. $8 for 13 kilometers. No thank you, no thank you. Hey guys, this is Doordash again. $11.25 for 6.8 kilometers. And it's Popeyes. I think this is going to a zone where there's not many restaurants. So I'm looking at least 12 kilometers, 6 to go and 6 to come. Windy day, windy. Woohoo! Complete delivery, far distance, low base pay, confirm. $5.25 base pay, customer tip $6. You are out of your delivery zone. 5 minutes back to drive. So the time is 12:12 and I'm at $34.75, DoorDash only. Hey guys, this order is $7.25 for 7.4 kilometers, and it's DoorDash. $5.25, $2 tips. $16 for 17 kilometers. I'll let it pass. That's kind of far drive, but $16 is pretty good money too. 14 kilometers for $9.25. Hey guys, this is DoorDash again. $9.25 for 6.6 kilometers. Wow! DoorDash, you're on fire! I am on fire! I had a few order with Uber Eats, but I declined them. They were garbage. $3. Confirm pickup. Let's see how far a customer is. I think it's pretty close. 2 minutes away, 700 meters. $5.25 base pay. Customer tip $4. Thank you. Oh, another one came in. Let's see what's this one. Burger King quiz. No, 2 orders. What? $12? No, thank you. First time I see this one here. Double orders. 2 orders. One from Quizno, one for Burger King for $12.50. No, thank you. So the time is 1:02 right now, and I'm at $51.25. That's DoorDash only. Awesome. $25 an hour. Very nice, very nice. Time is 1:25. 0 order. I didn't get any order from Uber Eats either. Seems like when it hit 1 p.m. it declined like really bad. I don't know. People don't have lunch after 1 p.m. I don't know what to do. Either to stay on shift or quit, abandon shift, or drive around, go to a different zone. Let's see what Instacart have. $16.73. They have shoppers for $7. 3 items. I'm at the blue spot. The red one is a store, and the one that's shaped like the house is the house. You see what happened there? I was touching my phone and I accidentally hit that Uber Eats one. It just came on. So it's Papa John, $9. That's the thing, I don't like Uber Eats like that. It just comes on like that and you accidentally touch it. So what do? You accept it or you cancel it afterwards? So this customer is 12 minutes away, 7.2 kilometers. I accidentally touched it because I was browsing my phone. Browsing. $9.25. Yeah, the customer is staying at the hotel and it's close to the airport. I missed the turn, so I had to go around the block. And the customer said meet at the door, so he was at the door waiting. I told him, sorry man, I missed the turn, I went around. Hey guys, it's 2:02. That's it for me. 3 hours. I end my shift with DoorDash. I log out from Uber Eats. I'm just gonna go home, have something to eat, have a nap, go to the gym. I had 1 hour more with DoorDash, but Around this time it gets slow and no order, so I'm just gonna waste an hour here sitting here with no order. Doesn't make any sense, right? So that's it. Stay tuned for the summary. There's one tip have to come in with Uber Eats. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. But first, I want to give a big shout out to all the new subscriber and a big thank you guys. So let's get started. This is Uber Eats. I had one delivery only and was $16.27. Customer tip $7.02. Awesome, right? It's a good thing I accept that order, or accidentally accept it. Came pretty handy, right? $16.27. Let's move over to Doordash. I had 6 delivery with Doordash, and the base pay is around $5.25. Tip vary from $2 to $6 was the highest. $6, $3, $3, $2, and a $4. So the total with Doordash is $51.25. Active time was 1 hour and 26 minutes. Dash time was 3 hours and 5 minutes. Let's add up Doordash and Uber Eats together. Give us $67.52 minus $5 for gas. I did a little bit more driving. Equal $62.52 divided by 3 hours. Gave us $20.84 per hour. Awesome, nice wage, right? Awesome wage. I'll take it to the bank. All I have to say, guys, multi-app. When you multi-app, your percentage of making $20 and above goes up really high. Your odds goes up really high. That's my 2 cents. Multi-app, multi-app. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.